Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's Jupiter Red. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior, pano sunroof. Coming around back, rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats, all season and regular, fold down rear seats. Come alongside, this does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats. We've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you command with navigation, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, rear view backup camera, a black matte ash wood trim, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 22,191 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.